Radha Swami everyone. My today's topic is Darshan and Drishti of a perfect and living master. In Punjabi I will say Param Sant Satguਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਦਰਸ਼ਨ ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਮਿਹਰ ਦੀ ਨਿਗਾਹ ਔਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਦ੍ਰਿਸ਼ਟੀ. Darshan means look at the master. Drishti means when master look at you. The term darshan is only used if you look at your master or when you reach totality of consciousness. Darshan means darshan of a perfect living master. And everything starts from darshan. Darshan means to look at your master. Drishti means when master look at you. Everything starts from the physical level. Without looking at anything, we can respect anything. Master comes in a physical form, in this physical plane or physical universe, so we can understand him. When you look at the master, that's darshan. When the master look at us, that's drishti. And the darshan of a master is very important. Darshan of a perfect and living master is absolutely very important or very rare. Ishwar Puri Maharaj Ji always quoted a story of Narad Muni Ji. As Narad, someone asked a question from Narad Muni Ji, what is the value of a darshan of a perfect living master? He went to Brahma Ji, who already heard the story of that. That means the darshan of a perfect living master is very rare or very important. If you have a darshan of a perfect living master, and if you are not even a disciple of that master, you are just a regular human being like all of us. Before you get initiation from a perfect living master, if you had a chance to look at the master, before getting initiation from a master, if you had a chance to have a darshan of a perfect living master, what is the value of that darshan? As Ishwar Puri Maharaj Ji always tell us the story of Narad Ji. He was just a Muni. Muni means Manish or Man. The one who still in time and space. Time and space. Not beyond time and space. As Bani of Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji says, Brahma Vishnu Narad Muni Shesha Tinmi Tanme Man Nahi Pekha. That means these Manish, all those yogis and yogeshwar who are doing the meditation at the energy centers, they don't understand what is beyond time and space or what is the consciousness is at the level of spirit, mind and everything. It's a very important point to understand. Brahma Vishnu Narad Muni Shesha Tinvi Tanme Man Nahi Peka. Bhai Gurdas Ji says, all these yogis, yogeshwar never go beyond the realms of mind. That means beyond time and space. That means Narad Ji never went beyond time and space. Even who had a darshan of Narad Ji had a chance to become a human being. If a human being had a chance to get a darshan of a perfect living master, what kind of benefit that human being will get? What kind of benefit we can get? As a regular human being, like suppose a person who's not even a satsangi, who's not a seeker, who just randomly go see a perfect living master. What happened? If he just had a darshan of a perfect master, the many past life karmas known as reserve karma or sanchit karma will be wiped out from the account of that person. Doesn't matter, is a man or women, no difference at all. The sanchit karma or reserve karma, the pile of karma that's sitting in a Tirkuti or Brahma or universal mind area, the many karmas that are sitting in Brahma or Tirkuti will be wiped out, deleted, without any reason at all, even if a regular person just look at the master. That's how important is darshan of a Parampara master. Parampara master. If you just look at a Parampara master as an ordinary human being, many past life or sanchit karma will be wiped out. Even if any species has a darshan of a Parampara master, what will happen? Other species who are not even in human form, they do have eyes to look at the master. If they see that master, then what will happen? As Vani of Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji says, Pashu, Pret, Mugd ko tare. That means any other species who is not even a human being, even if that species had a chance to look at the master, like for example, animals and birds, they do have eyes. They also can see. If they look at the perfect liquor master, they end up becoming a human being in the next life. And also, they also get a chance to get initiation from a perfect living master. That is the value of a perfect living master's darshan. Darshan देखत पाप सब नासे हैं हर्ष्यो लैन मनाए. If you had a chance, look at the darshan of a perfect living master. He will eliminate many of your karmas. At the end, he will pull you with his unconditional love. At the end, he will take you back where you came from. It's a very important point to understand. Then how we get the darshan of a master? Depends on our karma. Depends on our karma. Karma hoye सत गुरु मलाए सेवा सुरत शब्द चित लाए. If our karmas are good enough to get a company of a perfect legal master, we get it. If we get it, then he will show us the path of love and devotion, how to go back where we came from. Where we came from. That's the value of a darshan of a perfect legal master. Why you get the darshan of a perfect legal master? What's the difference between God or totality of consciousness or creative power and a perfect legal master? No difference at all. No difference at all. Every one of us, doesn't matter who we are, we love to see God. God means who created everything. We think there is a God. As Shurpuri Maharaj says, you can't see God unless you become the form of the God. That means we have to reach the same level before we experience who is God or who is the creative power. Who is the creative power? What was the meaning? What was the message of Ishwarpuri Maharaj Ji? That means if you want to experience who is God, you need to have a self-realization. There is no difference between soul and God. Atam में राम, राम में आत्म चेन से गुर विचार. There is no difference between soul and Vaheguru, Paramatma. There is no difference between Atma and Paramatma. The totality of consciousness and the unit of consciousness, there is no difference. So, what is consciousness anyway? What is consciousness? If the sun is a conscious, all the light or the rays of the sun's coming is a consciousness of that sun. If there is a full moon is a conscious, and all the rays of light or the white light coming from full moon is a consciousness of that moon. Same thing here. A totality of consciousness or creative power of Vaheguru, Paramatma, Ram is a consciousness. The soul is part of that consciousness. If he is conscious, the soul is a consciousness. That means part of that. Part of that. If there is no totality of consciousness, there will be no consciousness. In the other words, I will say, if there is no Paramatma, there will be no Atma. If there is no God, there will be no soul either. No soul either. If there is no ocean, there will be no drop at all. There will be no drop at all. If there is no river, there will be no water or drop of water. If there is no cloud, there will be no rain. No rain at all. That means everything started from Vaheguru, Paramatma, Atma, creative power. When you start naming God, Vaheguru, Paramatma, Atma, all those things, that divide us in a different religion. As Guru Gobind Singh Ji Maharaj, remember creative power, more than 1200 names in Dasam Granth. At the end, Guru Gobind Singh Ji Maharaj says, you are Anami. You have no name at all. You have no name at all. Because he is Anami. He is Anami. But then Anami Purush was alone. He wanted to have someone, that's Chandapar, Doji, everybody says. Then what happened? His Mauj, and he created everything with his Mauj. Mauj means his will, without asking anyone. You can ask anyone anything if someone is around. If there is no one around you, then you do whatever you want to do. That's what happened from Anami Des. All those Lakh, Anami and Sachkhand, all the creation was created. All the creation was created. Then perfect like a master, come here. Come here to remind us who we are, where we belong. Then how to go back where we belong. Does all of us know who we are? No. Not at all. Only chosen few. Only chosen few. If we want to go back to Sachkhand, when our seeking become high enough, then perfect like a master will appear in our life. And what he will do? Darshan. Who will see him first? Once you see him, what will happen? If our name is in the list of that master, he will pull us with his unconditional love. Then what will happen? We will keep going to his satsang. We will keep having his darshan. Eventually, if you know that your name is in the list of, then he will initiate you. He will initiate you. Then you will Namdan from him. then will do meditation. Eventually, he will take you where you came from. That's the darshan. And darshan of a perfect Legam master is very important, especially at the physical level. Most of us, and including me and all of you, we miss Ishwar Puriji so much because he left physically. Physically. It doesn't mean he's gone. He's inside every one of us. But the darshan of a physical form is very important because before darshan of physical form, nothing happens. Even if you see your master inside in a radiant form, still you love to see a master in a physical form. For an example, when Swamiji Maharaj Ji gave initiation to Baba Jaimal Singh Ji, and Baba Jaimal Singh Ji reached Sachkhand, he became one with Swamiji Maharaj, but still Baba Jaimal Singh Ji always wrote a letter to Swamiji Maharaj, Swamiji, I would love to come and have your darshan. And Swamiji Maharaj says, of course. And same thing with Baba Sawan Singh Ji. When Baba Sawan Singh Ji got initiation from Baba Jaimal Singh Ji and reached the Sachkhand, Baba Sawan Singh Ji became one with Baba Jaimal Singh Ji, but still Baba Sawan Singh Ji used to come to Dera Vyas every weekend to have a darshan of Baba Jaimal Singh. Baba Jaimal Singh Ji. As long as your master is available at physical level, please have as much darshan of his physical form as you can. It will help you. It will eliminate, if you are a disciple, it will eliminate your pralabdha karma, that means past life karma. It will help you to go to Sachkhand very quick. He's going to take you anyway, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. And same thing, when Baba Sawan Singh Ji, Baba Jaimal Singh Ji gave him a seva, that you have to do the seva. At the same time, there was a disciple of Swamiji Maharaj, and he was a disciple of Swamiji Maharaj, like Baba Jaimal Singh was of Swamiji Maharaj. At the same time, in Dera Vyas, his name was Munshi Ram. And he was there, and Baba Sawan Singh Ji told him, you have already reached satsang, you really don't have to be here in the satsang. Then he smiled at Babaji. He said, Babaji, you gave, Swamiji Maharaj gave seva to Baba Jaimal Singh Ji. Baba Jaimal Singh Ji gave seva to you. For me, you are a Swamiji Maharaj. You are a Swamiji Maharaj. And your darshan and darshan of a sangat is very important for me. His name was Milki Ram. Milki Ram got initiation from Swamiji Maharaj. And he was with Baba Jaimal Singh Ji. Milki Ram Ji and Baba Jaimal Singh Ji, they were both got initiation from Swamiji Maharaj. At the time of Baba Sawan Singh Ji, Milki Ram was there. And Baba Sawan Singh used to say, Milki Ram, you don't have to be in the satsang. You already Sachkhand. Then he said, no, Babaji, love to have your darshan. You are Baba Jaimal Singh Ji and you are Swamiji Maharaj. I see Swamiji Maharaj in you. Love to have your darshan. Darshan of a master at the physical level is very important. When Guru Arjan Dev Ji went to Lahore, Guru Ramdas Ji sent him. He missed his master so much, he wrote many verses in Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji. Manaloche, Mera Manaloche, Guru Darshan Thai, Mera Manaloche. And Guru Ramdas Ji was his dad, but still he took his dad as a PLM. Perfectly good master. Perfectly good master. perfect master. And he always wrote many verses. मेरा मन लोचे गुर दर्शन ताई बिल करे चात्रक की न्याय. Chatrack ki न्याय. That's the importance of a darshan. Then what is drishti? Drishti means when perfect like a master look at you. That's the drishti. If a perfect like a master look at you, many karmas of your past life, sanchit karma, reserve karma will be eliminated. Even if you are not a disciple. At the time of initiation, very important point to understand what is the meaning of drishti. When you get initiation or namdan from a perfect legal master, what that drishti does, I remember that day. In 1984, when Huzur Maharaj Charan Singh Ji looked at me, I never knew. At the time of initiation, when PLM look at you, if he think it's time for you to go, and also he think that your name in his list, once he look at your forehead, at the third eye center, he can read all the karmas since you've been here. What the PLM do, if he want to give you an initiation, before even he gives you initiation, he will eliminate all your sanchit or reserve karmas, then he will initiate you. Only thing you have to deal with is past life karma. That's known as paralabdha. Paralabdha. In paralabdha or past life karmas, we have enough karmas, as Ishwar Puri Maharaj used to say in his satsang. We have enough karmas. If we don't even create any karmas in our present life known as Kireman karma, those karmas pile is big enough that those karmas will pull us back perhaps more than 100 times. That karma even gives you 100 lifetime, maybe 100 births. If you are not a disciple or a satsangi of a perfect Legal Master. I had a chance to ask that question from Ishwar Puri Maharaj. At Menominee, there is a video, you might see it. I asked Babaji, when perfect Legal Master is ready to take his disciple at the time of his death to Sachkhand, what happens to Kireman karma or present life karma? Can these karmas pull us back? Then Ishwar Puri Maharaj said, you can watch that video. He will burn those karma and take you to Sachkhand. Take you to Sachkhand. Darshan of a master at physical level, very important. Everything starts from the physical. When you go to astral and above, the inner darshan of a master is very important. Here is the drishti. What the drishti does? Drishti means when your perfect legal master look at you. That's the drishti. When a master look at you, drishti pade Gurudev ki, देखत करे निहाल और मत पढ़ तथे कागा हुए मुराल. चरणदास जी महाराज भट्ट, चरणदास जी says कि दृष्टि परे गुरुदेव की देखत करे निहाल, you be in a blissful state, और मत पलटे तथे कागा हुए निहाल. He will convert you. That means your mind will become from Andi Brahmandi Man, as Chandpad would say. Pindi Man, Andi Man, Brahmandi Man. और मत पलटे तथे कागा होए मुराल. He will change your mind. That means your physical mind become astral mind and causal mind. Eventually, you will go up Kaga hot moral. Kaga means crow. Moral means peacock. Crow always eat the meat. That's the nature of the kaga or crow. Moral or hans. They never eat these kind of things. That means the drishti of a particular master, once the particular master look at you, he will change the situation of your mind. Your mind, that means your life will be all changed. You will be a new person. You will be a new person. And all those satsangi already experienced it. We had a chance to meet Ishwar Puri Ji Maharaj, Maharaj Saban Singh Ji, and Maharaj Charan Singh Ji, Guru Mata Ji. All those PLMs, they know how they changed their life, how their mind was changed. Like from crow to peacock. That means there will be a big change in our life. If a perfect legal master look at us, then what will happen? He will change our mind. We will get wise aim and there will be a lot of changes in our life. At the end, what will happen? Eventually he will initiate you. Then what will happen if he initiates you? जिनका गृह तन दिया ताला कुंजी गुर सो पाई अन का पाप करे नहीं पावे बिन सतगुर शरणाई. Even everything is inside everybody of us. But still, जिनका गृह तन दिया ताला, whoever gives you a birth, then diya tala, everything has been locked up. Kunji gur so pai, key has been given to a master. Kunji gur so pai, anka pav kare nahi pave. You can try all those things, including yogas, all kind of mantras, but you can't open it up. When Shatgur Sananai, Shabbat meaning of Sharanai means to surrender yourself. When Satgur Sharanai. Once you meet a particular master, he will give you a key to open up the lock. And what is the key? And what's the lock? Where is the tree? Tree is in every one of us. What kind of key he will give us? He will give you a Shabad or Naam. Naam of Molak Ratan hai Pure Satgur Paas. It's the most precious thing, but only particular master has it. Particular master got the key. He can open up the lock. And what kind of lock is that? Lock is means there's mind. That's the biggest lock. And the master will open up. Ekagrah, ek sangat baste, mil bartana karte pai, bich padta home pai. Soul is there, mind is there, everything is inside. Ekagrah, ek sangat baste, mil bartana karte pai, which padda home pai. Egoism. What is the problem? What is the border? Who's blocking us? Who's blocking our soul to get into the totality of consciousness? Who's the block? Who's blocking us? The mind. When padda home pai. What is home? Egoism is a part of the function of the mind. That is the biggest block in us. As I told you in my last satsang, the four functions of mind. Man, bodh, chit, ahang. Ahang means the him, egoism. That's a very worst thing that can keep pulling us back into this physical level. Home hi vandana, phir juni pai. If you are an egoistic person, that egoism will bring you back to this physical level. Doesn't matter. You might become a human again, you might end up becoming some kind of other species, depending what kind of egoism you have in the mind. Hum hi bandhana, phir juni pai. So how to go back? With the blessing, with the drishti of a particular master. When Baba Saban Singh Ji uh, got initiation from Baba Jaimal Singh Ji, and Baba Jaimal Singh Ji was in Dera Byas. And someone, when Baba Jaimal Singh Ji passed away, and someone asked a question from Hajur Maharaj Baba Saban Singh Ji. Saban Singh Ji, Hajur Maharaj Baba Saban Ji, what are the most precious moments of your life? Baba Saban Singh Ji, ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਦੇ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਬਿਹਤਰੀਨ ਪਲ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਆ? What are the most precious moments of your life? Someone asked that question by Hajur Maharaj Baba Saban Singh Ji. And Baba Saban Singh Ji smiled. Baba Saban Singh Ji said, the most precious moments of my life are when I was in a First World War. I used to come to Dera Byas to have a darshan of my master Baba Jaimal Singh Ji, and I will stay there overnight, and early in the morning me and my master Baba Jaimal Singh Ji will get up. I will put a coat on him. That means Baba Jaimal Singh Ji, Saban Singh will ask Baba Jaimal Singh Ji, please pick up your right arm and left arm. I'm going to put the coat on you. Then after that Baba Saban Singh Ji will have his darshan, and they both go to morning bath. And Baba Saban Singh Ji reached such khand, but he said, someone asked him, Baba Saban Singh, what are the most precious moments of your life? Then he said, when I used to put the coat on my master Baba Jaimal Singh Ji, at the same time I was doing a seva, and also I was having a darshan of him in a physical level, and also I was walking with him in a morning bike walk. That was the most precious moments of my life. And these kind of moments hardly come in the life of a satsangi. Darshan of a master. Darshan of a master. At physical level, very important. Nothing can start unless you see the master in a physical form. Because we are here at a physical form. That means the journey will start from physical level. Doesn't matter where you are, what we are. Journey will start from the physical level. Then master will pull us to the upper level. Still, master is with us at the physical level, at the astral level, at the causal level. Parvanam, Sohang Den, Sachkani mean up to the Anami Des. Because he is here because of our seeking, and will take us back where he came because of our seeking. Drishti of a master is very important. Drishti of a master is very important. If someone else look at you, our brother, sister, everybody look at us every day. And what kind of benefit we get from them? Nothing. We don't get any benefit at all. As Sultan Bahuji says, एक नगाहा जे आलम बेखे किसे न कंदी चाड़े हूँ, एक नगाहा जे आशिक बेखे लाख हजारा तारे हूँ. That means if an ordinary person look at you, you won't benefit from that person at all. If a person look at you, ordinary person look at you, gives you a drishti, you're not going to get anything. एक नगाह जे आलम बेखे, even the whole world look at you, किसी न कंदी चाड़े, you're not going to get anything. If the whole world look at you, you're not going to get any benefit at all. एक नगाह जे आशिक बेखे लख हजारा तारे हूँ. If you get a drishti, a purple legged master look at you, he not going to take you only, he can take millions of souls if he give them a drishti. If a purple legged master give a drishti to anyone, regardless of who he are, who will end up going to such kind, if you are a human being. If you are not a human being, and a master look at you, even if you are a tree, even if you are an animal, another species, you get a chance to become a human being, then that master gives you initiation when you become a human being. If that master is not in flesh, whoever the predecessor is, or whoever the other perfect master is, give you initiation, then you go back to Sachkhand. That drishti is so important. Drishti is so important. Once the master look at you, that means it's a very rare thing. It's a very rare thing. Very rare. Common Murshid, if a perfect Lamar look at you, that means he will take you to Sachkhand. Doesn't matter. Either you are ready right now or ready in next life. If a perfect master look at you and you're not even a disciple, not even willing to go, but happy. Then next life, your name go in the next list. As if Maharaj say, list A, B, C. That's what happened. That's what happened. Darshan and Drishti is a very important. It's a very important. The most important thing is, Master is here to give us a darshan and drishti. To whom? The soul who are ready to go back to Sachkhand. If there are no patients, there will be no doctors at all. If there are no seekers, there will be no saints at all. Wherever the most disease is, doctors are there. Wherever the most seekers are, PLMs are there. So they can take him back to Sachkhand. Please accept my seva and forgive all my mistake. Thank you, brothers.